Your code base has the same rule written in two places and only one of them ever gets updated. Here's the fix. Dry stands for don't repeat yourself, and it's one of the oldest principles in software design. The real definition is narrower than most people think. Every piece of knowledge, every business rule, every fact about your system should have exactly one authoritative representation in your code base. It's not about banning copy-paste forever, and it's not about deleting every line that looks similar to another line. It's about tracking down each independent truth, a tax rate, a validation rule, a pricing formula, and making sure it lives in exactly one place. When that truth changes, you update one function, one constant, one file, and every caller picks up the new behavior automatically. When it lives in two places instead, you get two versions of the truth, and eventually they disagree. Here's what that disagreement looks like in practice. Picture a checkout function that calculates a discount. If the customer is a loyalty member, multiply the subtotal by 0.9. Now picture an invoice generator written months later by a different engineer that needs the exact same discount logic, so they paste in the same 5 lines because it's faster than digging through the codebase to find a shared helper. For a while, both copies behave identically. Then a bug shows up. The discount should only apply to physical goods, not gift cards. Someone fixes checkout.py. Nobody remembers invoice.py exists. For weeks, invoices keep discounting gift cards that should be full price and nobody notices until finance asks why revenue doesn't match the ledger. Fix is exactly what Dry prescribes. Find the one piece of knowledge, how do we calculate this discount, and give it one home. Pull the logic out of both checkout and invoice into a single function, something like calculate_discount living in a shared pricing module. Checkout calls it, invoicing calls it, any future caller calls it too. Now there's exactly one place that knows the rule, one place to write a test against, and one place to fix when the business changes its mind. The bug from before becomes structurally impossible to reintroduce because there's no second copy left to forget. This is the entire value of Dry, not fewer lines of code but fewer places where the same truth can quietly drift apart. But Dry has a trap, and experienced engineers get burned by it constantly. Not all identical-looking code represents the same knowledge. Say your age validation and your product quantity validation both happen to check if a value is less than 0, raise an error. They look identical today. Merge them into one shared validator, and you've coupled two unrelated business rules that just happen to share a shape. The day age validation needs to allow 0 but quantity validation doesn't, your shared function needs an if statement to tell its callers apart, and you've built the wrong abstraction. As Sandy Metz put it, duplication is far cheaper than the wrong abstraction. The real question isn't does this code look the same, it's will these two things always change for the same reason. So the practical version of Dry is a question, not a rule. When you spot two blocks of similar code, ask whether they represent the same underlying fact, changing for the same underlying reason. If yes, extract it once and let every caller share it. If no, if the resemblance is coincidental, leave the duplication alone, or you'll be untangling a bad abstraction later, which is far more painful than a little repeated code. Applied well, Dry means bugs get fixed in one place instead of 3. Business rules live in code that matches how the business actually thinks, and nobody discovers a stale copy of the truth 6 months after it should have been deleted. That's the whole principle. One fact, one place chosen deliberately. Thanks for watching.